Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Like It. Y'all are in for a special treat. But before I let you guys know what this video is about, I need you to do your girl a favor. I need you to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. Alright, now that I got that out the way, let's get on to what this video is about. Guys, like I stated in the intro, I told you guys you were in for a special treat. So I know you guys see these awesome products that's in my video, these awesome fruits. I have some blackberries, I have some strawberries, I have some blueberries, some pineapples, and some pomegranate seeds, okay? So guys, since I've been on break, you guys know that I love TikTok, and I seen a challenge on TikTok that I have been wanting to try forever and ever in a day. Yes, y'all, it's the nature cereal. I know you guys have seen superstar Lizzo do the challenge, and yeah, it's something I've been wanting to do, and I'm going to try it today. If I like this nature cereal, this might be something that I might eat in the morning, because they said that this particular nature cereal is supposed to give you like a boost of energy. As you guys know, as a teacher, I need all the energy that I can get. So yeah, we just gonna go ahead, we're gonna jump on into this video, and we're gonna try this nature cereal out to see what the hype is about on TikTok. All right guys, see you guys in a minute. All right guys, so I am back. I had to go wash the fruit off. I put it on this nice little plate. As you guys can see, I have the strawberries, I have the blackberries, I have the blueberries, and I have some pineapples, and then I have the pomegranate seeds here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the fruit in the inside of this bowl, and I don't know why, but they put ice in it, so I'm going to put ice in it. And then they probably put the ice in it to make it more cold, I'm guessing. I don't know. And then after I put everything in, I'm going to pour in some coconut water, okay? Oh, I'm kind of sad, y'all. Dang on it. So y'all, this is the original coconut water. I don't know if I'm fond of coconut water. I want to say that I tried it and I really didn't like it, but then when I went to Jamaica and I had a real coconut, I liked it, but I mixed something in it. So I don't know, we're gonna see. So after you get through putting the fruit in, you're supposed to put the coconut water in. I'm kind of sad because I thought I had the coconut water with pineapple. I knew that I would probably like it if it had pineapples in it. I love pineapples. So y'all, we're not gonna make this video any longer. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put our fruit inside our bowl, and then we're gonna try this. We're gonna see what this nature cereal is all about. I'm hoping I like it, because I like fruit anyway. And if I like it, like I said, I'm going to try to do this in the morning and eat it for breakfast, because it's supposed to give you an energy boost. So, all right, y'all. With no further ado, we're going to try this. So first, since I'm eating this, I think I'm going to just use my hands. And my hands are, I'm going to put the strawberries in. Put the strawberries in the bowl. All right, then we're going to put the blackberries in. It's looking. Can y'all see this? Can y'all see that? And then we're gonna put pineapples in. Now when I seen the challenge going around TikTok, I didn't see nobody put pineapples in, but I love pineapples, so pineapples gotta go in it. So I'm putting pineapples in it. But if you try this, I heard with the nature cereal, you can use whatever fruit that you like, because I actually was thinking about putting some kiwi in it just to, I don't know, y'all know I don't mind trying things. All right, so I have the strawberries, I have the blackberries in, I have the pineapples in it, and last, I'm about to, no, not lastly, I'm about to put the blueberries in. Put the blueberries in. And then, I don't know when you're supposed to put the ice in it. I'm gonna put some ice cubes in it. I got little crescent ice, came from my refrigerator, so I'm gonna put these little crescents in it. Lord, what have I gotten myself into? And lastly, I'm going to put the pomegranate seeds in it. Y'all, I hope this is good. I hope this is good. And y'all know, I am going to tell the truth. I am going to tell the truth because everybody like, oh, it's so good. I know Lizzo be killing it. She eats it all the time. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, so we have our fruit in there. The last thing we have to put in is our coconut water. Let's get to it. Let's see what the hype is all about. Oh, here we go. Here go these nature cereals. Alright, y'all. Woo, I'm kind of nervous now. Because like I said, I don't think I'm fond of coconut water. I don't know. I think I would have liked it better if I had the pineapple coconut water. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna give it a stir. It's looking good. Let me see if I can show y'all how it looks. Y'all, I'm trying to get used to my camera. It seems so far away. Let me see, I'm gonna come up there. Alright guys, this is how it looks in the inside. I'm gonna take a picture and pin it so you guys can see it really good. Alright y'all, here we go. We about to try this coconut cereal. Alright, here's to nothing. Alright TikTok, don't let me down. Alright, here we go. 1, 2. Okay, it's not nasty, it's not bad. Okay, y'all. Y'all know I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Alright, I kinda like it. I really do. I kinda like it. Oh my god. And this coconut water is not bad. Maybe it's the brand. It depends on the brand you get, because I didn't think I liked coconut water, but this is kind of good. My camera went dead. I can't believe it. I was using my camera and it went dead. But y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's actually really good. I can't see myself eating this in the mornings, and I believe that it probably do give you energy because of all the berries that's in it. So yeah, I think I can do it. It ain't nothing but water and fruit basically. But I don't know, for some reason it's giving like a different vibe. It's giving like a different vibe. So yeah, I can see myself possibly eating this in the morning. Or y'all, just to make it easier, I ain't gonna even lie, this probably would be good blended up in a blender and taken as a drink. So yeah, I guess you can do it however you want to if you want to try it. But I give it a 8.5 out of 10. It's really good. I really do like it. I really do like it. And yeah, I think the ice is added to it just to make it a little bit cold, make it more colder. But it's good. I can see myself eating this in the morning or just as a snack or something. Maybe like on my lunch break. I think the pomegranate seeds actually bring like a different little vibe to it. I think that's the key. I think the pomegranate seeds is the key. Because give you that little burst of juice that's coming out of it. Like I like that. But yeah, y'all. This is the nature cereal challenge. And like I said, I've been wanting to try this challenge. It's summertime, I'm a teacher on break, so I'm gonna be doing some crazy videos, and I can finally scratch this one off my summer bucket list. Anywho, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, y'all. We're on our way to 900 subscribers. The ultimate goal is 1K, y'all. I'm trying to get 1K by July 3rd, which will be a year of me having my YouTube channel. So yes, guys, please subscribe, share, like, comment, and I thank you guys for all your love and support to Teacher Fashion on Lock It. All right, y'all, I'm about to finish this nature cereal. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETT.